Hello everyone. Today we're demonstrating this GPS tracker by Winds. Nice build quality. It's got weight to it. Feels like it's very nicely made. Has slots here for your SIM card and your charging port. It does come with your charging cable. It does come with your little key to remove the SIM card and your user's manual. Now when you first get it, what you want to do is you want to fully charge it. There are no on-off buttons on this, so once you insert your SIM card, it will turn on. If you remove the SIM card, it will turn off. And on a full charge, this should last up to 80 days on a full charge. This device here can be used for tracking various things, mostly for vehicles, that you can place it in your glove box, center console, your trunk, or even if you decide you want to use it to track maybe your toolbox or some tools or whatever, you can do that also. As I have an iPhone, I went to my app store and I downloaded the app here. As you can see, now it has a geofence here. I set mine up to do that. You press the plus sign here in the right-hand corner. But as mine's set up, sorry, this is set for my actual location. So this will work since I set up a geofence. If this device leaves my area, my home, it will send me an alarm and let me know that it has moved. And that's just it right there. I set my location and it will notify you. Now it does have the real-time tracking. And as you can see here, it does show you exactly where it's at. And again, you can access your geofence there. You can access your historical route for the day, your settings. You can set your different alarms. This is where you're going to set your admin and everything else you need for it to work. You can actually even share your location through the app. Now, this does have an alarm function when it moves or it's shaken. And it does send me a moving alarm here, as you can see. And that's it. It's a very nice device, and I do highly recommend this device.